Whoa, this is the kind of egusi that will make you forget your manners. It's so delicious, tasty, thick, lumpy. Or just simply put, it's the best egusi done the right way. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious egusi soup. Once you test it, you will never go back to your old method. Let's dive in. To begin, heat up some palm oil in your pot. Once it's a bit hot, go in with some salt, onions, and add your pepper mix. What to have in this pepper mix is just scotch bonnet peppers and red bell peppers roughly blended together. Give it a good stir and go in with some seasoning cubes. Now stir to combine properly. Cover the pot and allow the peppers to cook down first for about 3 to 5 minutes. This will allow the sweetness of the peppers to settle and the raw taste to disappear. Once that is achieved, go in with your egusi paste as seen. This paste was achieved by adding little amounts of meat stock to my blended melon. Then mix together to form paste. You can use water in place of meat stock. Just make sure the water is controlled so that it won't be watery, especially if you want to have lumpy egusi at the end. Now cover the pot and allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Open the pot and give it a very gentle stir to expose all parts of the egusi to the oil. Cover the pot and allow the egusi to cook till the oil rises and the egusi hold its shapes like you've seen here. Then you already know you're on the right path. This should be done on low to medium heat. Of course, you don't want your egusi to burn. By this time, the aroma in my kitchen was already impossible to ignore. Now it's time to bring in other ingredients. So I added my cooked prawn, you can use periwinkle instead, and went in with my well-seasoned meat. Then with stock, you can adjust with water if needed. Give it a good stir for everything to combine nicely before going in with dried catfish and blended crayfish. Now stir it and taste to see if there is any need to adjust the seasoning. Then cover and allow to cook for everything to incorporate together. If you have watched up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so. Share this video and turn on your notification button because there are lots of nice recipes from where this came from. Also let me know in the comment section if you have made this type of egusi before. And if you've not yet made it before, is this something you would love to give a try? Let me know what you think. Now the soup is about 90% ready. After stirring and testing to ensure that all the ingredients are in order, I went in with my washed bitter leaf. I added just little enough to tease the taste without overpowering the soup. Then I stir it properly to combine and allow it to cook on fire for about 3 minutes before going in with my last ingredient, which is fresh spinach. Yes, I reserve it to be added as the last thing because I like it to be fresh at the end. In place of this spinach, you can use water leaf, ugu, uziza, kale, or any leaf of your choice. Or you can leave it out and just use only bitter leaf. It's still okay, but you see this combination? It came out so delicious. Now give it a good and a final stir. Once the spinach was added and I stir properly to combine, I allow it to cook for less than a minute and brought it down. Now just look at this. It tasted so delicious. Even if you're not a fan of egusi, I believe if you test this, you would love it. Just save this recipe and thank me later. What would you love to pair this with? Let me know what you think in the comment section. For me, I paired mine with gari. I'm sure it will still go well with poundo, fufu, or semo. Thank you so much to all my subscribers for subscribing and watching up to this point. And for first timers and those who are yet to subscribe, thank you very much for tuning in. Please do well to like the video, subscribe and share. We have lots of lovely recipes to bring your way. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye!